Namaskar. Today I'm talking about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was an apostle of peace, non-violence, father of the nation. You all know that. Do we know he was a saint?
His birthday it is celebrated on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi, the great freedom fighter. He known